Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn this laptop off. So you can turn it off in a simple way by clicking Start, then opening Power Options and selecting Shutdown option right here. But alternatively, if you cannot access this menu, for example if your laptop lags, you can simply hold down the power key and then keep it held down until the light on your keys shuts down, and at this point your laptop is turned off. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.